Uh, Hello, parents and students. This is a small demonstration of how the Zoom is being done, online teaching, using this platform and using this whiteboard marker, which you will see in a shorter time. These are the students, few students of mine who for this demo lecture, just to get the first-hand experience of how the Zoom lectures goes on for Max. And it will be really interesting to hear from them how was their experience with respect to Zoom for the past almost 1.5 months, which was going on. Kushi, could you just you could begin with it?
Yeah, my experience was quite nice actually. I didn't find any difference between the class lectures and the Zoom lectures. Moreover, I feel like there was less disturbance as you're supposed to switch off the audio. So I guess the experience was quite nice.
Okay, thank you. Nishal, could you share your
Yes,
experience?
Zoom is a very good platform. It's completely safe, and if one can really concentrate well, I think it's no less than a regular class.
Okay.
So and it does not we do not fall back in portion either. So we are
Okay.
at par as it should be. So it's
Okay.
good. I like it.
Thank you. Parshvi?
So it first of all, it's way more comfortable than the regular classes. I mean, you don't have to travel at all, and you can sit in the. You have the comfort of your home. So yeah, it's quite comfortable, and yeah, as the others have said, there's no difference between a regular class and a Zoom class. So um, I think it has helped a lot.
Okay. Thank you, Parshvi. Mayank, what about you? Do you like to
Zoom
share?
is actually a very nice app. It has helped us complete the portion faster than the normal classes. So, and there is no change in the normal classes and the Zoom classes. You feel completely normal only. Thank you.
Okay. Dia?
Zoom has given a live teaching experience. It does not feel as if we is not in the classroom. It is a very nice app to help during these times when we are preferring social distancing.
Okay. Great. Aryan, what about you?
Well, Zoom is actually quite good, and just like normal lectures, you can also have interactive sessions with the students, and it really helps even the teacher, and also using the writing on the screen tool, it actually be Zoom actually behaves like a normal session. So it feels like you're sitting in the classroom with your friends and the teacher is teaching. So it's good.
So parents and students, I hope you must have heard, and moreover also you must have heard about this Zoom, hacking and etc., etc., etc. But I would like to tell, since I'm using the paid version and I'm free to use any of the servers as I'm been using continuously the US server. And for the past 1.5 months, every day I have been taking online lectures for past 6 to 7 hours, and I never experienced anything as such till now, and I hope it will not be. And this is more user friendly. That's another thing. And I just want to share one more thing, a small question, students, as what you have done in your 10th standard of the chapter quadratic equation, so that you understand how the whiteboard marker is used. Okay, I'll just share the whiteboard marker so you could see how it is. This is how the system is. And you could also see, I can scroll down and I can see how the students are monitoring and also I can open the window to extend it also. And the other thing is you can see this. I will be reading out the questions. Students also will be hearing it. The perimeter, the first question that I would like to solve. The perimeter of a rectangular field is 104 meter. So the perimeter is 104 meter. And the area is nothing but 640 meters square. The question is find the dimensions of the field. So now this is a question. Now why I'm taking up this is, students, because you already had experienced this question in your 10th standard. That is why it will be easy for you to understand, so that you understand the whiteboard marker. So now here I will say, let the breadth of the field, let the breadth of the field be x meters. Then 2 times length plus breadth is equal to, perimeter is already given here as 104. So length plus breadth is equal to, how much is it?
50.
52. So length will be equal to 52 minus x. Why? Because the breadth is given. Because the breadth is given as x meter. So we are able to convert it into one single variable. Now if I want to find out, area is being given, area comma A is equal to length into breadth. So area is equal to length, which is 52 minus x into x. Area is already mentioned, 640. So when I open the bracket, what you get is 52x minus x squared. So here you can see what all facilities, we can erase it. This is very user friendly, teacher, even for students also, even this can be shared with the students. Now when I convert this, x square minus 52x plus 640 is equal to 0. Obviously, when I factorize it, I'm not showing you the step. This is just for you to understand it. X is equal to 32 or x is equals to 20. So this was just a simple example. It becomes very easy. The only difference is physically you're not present, me and you in the class, but virtually. But the problems, whatever I write on a whiteboard, the only thing is here I'm using it or using the stylus over here. So this is my experience, and I think students will also enjoy learning, and it will be very useful instead of wasting the time sitting at home. Thank you very much.